Hello, and welcome back to the Any Arabic podcast. I'm Sarah. In the previous lesson, my colleague Rico shared an episode with 30 useful phrases. If you haven't watched that episode yet, I'll leave the link below. In today's episode, we're going to look at one very useful English prepositional verb, apologize for. And step by step, we'll learn the Arabic equivalent side by side. Let's get started. In English, we say, she apologized for the delay. The key part here is apologize for. Then we add the reason. In modern standard Arabic, the most common verb here is i'tadara, and the reason usually comes after the preposition an. So the Arabic pattern is i'tadara, then an, then the reason, meaning apologize for a reason. Now here is the full sentence in Arabic. Listen first, then repeat. اعتذرت عن التأخير. She apologized for the delay. اعتذرت عن التأخير. Now let's label the English words. Then we'll take the Arabic words one by one. Very simple. She is a pronoun. Apologized is a verb. For is a preposition. The delay is a noun phrase. So in English, the pattern is pronoun, verb, preposition, noun phrase. Now we'll go through the Arabic sentence word by word. And for each Arabic word, I'll tell you 3 things: what it means, what type of word it is, and its root. Word 1, i'tadarat. It means she apologized. It is a verb. And the ending ta shows that it means she in the past tense. Now the root. The root letters are ayn, dhal, ra. This root carries the idea of an excuse or a reason. So the verb gives the sense of giving an excuse, meaning, I apologize. i'tadarat. She apologized. i'tadarat. The second word, an. It means for in this pattern. It is a preposition. Very important. With this verb, we usually say, i'tadara an. This whole chunk means apologize for. So try not to translate it word by word. Just memorize the whole chunk. Now the root. Prepositions like an are usually treated as particles. So we do not use a root here in the same way we do with verbs and nouns. So for this word, just remember it as a fixed preposition that means for in this pattern. An, for the reason. An. Word 3, at-ta'khir. It means the delay. It is a noun, and it has el at the beginning, so it means the. Now the root. The root letters are alif, kha, ra. This root is connected to the idea of being late or coming after. So delay gives the idea of something coming later than expected. At-ta'khir, the delay. At-ta'khir. Now let's put it all back together. Full sentence. i'tadarat an التأخير. She apologized for the delay. i'tadarat an التأخير. Now we keep the same pattern, only the reason changes. i'tadarat عن الخطأ. She apologized for the mistake. i'tadarat عن الخطأ. Quick root note. الخطأ comes from the root kha, ta, alif. It means mistake. اعتذرت عن الإزعاج. She apologized for the disturbance. اعتذرت عن الإزعاج. Quick root note. Al-iz'aj comes from the root zay, ayn, jim. It means disturbance or bothering. اعتذرت عن سوء الفهم. She apologized for the misunderstanding. اعتذرت عن سوء الفهم. Quick root note. فهم comes from the root fa, ha, mim. It means understanding. And su'un means bad. So bad understanding means misunderstanding. Now repeat after me, one line at a time. اعتذرت عن التأخير. اعتذرت عن الخطأ. اعتذرت عن الإزعاج. In English, we can say, she apologized to me for the delay. In Arabic, to me is often li. So we say, اعتذرت لي عن التأخير. She apologized to me for the delay. اعتذرت لي عن التأخير. Here, the word li is a preposition plus a pronoun. It is a prepositional phrase meaning to me. Great job! Today, you learned one strong pattern that you can use every day. اعتذر, then, عن, then the reason. That means apologize for a reason. Now, here's your small challenge. Write one sentence in the comments. She apologized for, and choose your own reason. Delay, mistake, misunderstanding, anything. I'll read your sentence and tell you if it is correct. Keep going. Small patterns like this are how you build real Arabic, step by step. That's all for this episode. Before you go, everything we covered today is explained clearly in the book Arabic Mastery Decoded. If you haven't grabbed your free ebook yet, just click the link below and download it instantly. I've also prepared a quick quiz to help you check what you learned. If you're up for a small challenge, tap the quiz link and give it a try. The answers are included. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Salam.